Let me reverse to the beginning first. Like, subscribe, leave a comment or visit my Patreon if you enjoy my videos. Chop up all the ingredients listed on the screen. You should cut the carrots really fine so they can fall apart by the end of the cooking. If you have a food processor, rather use that. Cover the meat in some flour, which is in my case a round flat. You could use any other type of meat, just the cooking time should be adjusted. Fry it in oil until it has some crust. Add the chopped up vegetables and the rest of the ingredients. Add also plenty of water and cook it on low temperature. Most recipes recommend adding sugar. I would stay away from that since the carrots makes the stew just enough sweet. Stir it and replenish the water every 15 minutes or so. I cooked mine for about 2 hours. While we are waiting, there is lots of time for the dumplings. It is really simple. Mix milk, flour and some eggs together, cut up some buns or bread and add it to the dough. It should be moist, so if you are wiser than me, you will not use your hands to mix it. I also added some basils to make them look nicer. Any herb can be used for the same purpose. Form the dough into balls and cook it. Cooking time is hardly dependent on the size of the balls. If you are not sure if they are ready, take one out and cut it into half. I cooked mine for about 12 minutes. Trust me, it tastes better than it looks. Have a nice day. Goodbye.